DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, this is another treehouse chat. There's a helicopter coming. I'm up in my treehouse. I've got a whole series on when I built this. There's the chicken feeder. I got some doves. Oh, look at that. There's a rabbit. You see that rabbit? Ooh, there he goes. He's running. Alright, so this is something that everybody runs across every once in a while. Let's say you buy something and it screws up. So how to return something but you're past the return date. Okay, or you lost your receipt or something, right? Here's what you do. You buy another one. Now it has to be in halfway decent shape or this isn't going to work. But you buy another one. Buy another, okay? And you keep it for about a week or so. And you've got your receipt. And you return the screwed up one. The bad one. Okay? And you get your money back. Okay? So that's how you return something that's past the return date. Pretty slick trick, huh? But like I said, you can't have something all fucked up that you're returning a week after you bought it. You know what I mean? So it has to be in halfway decent shape, and but it'll work every time. Okay. All right, that's the end of this chat. Now, there's something wrong with my camera, so I don't know if this is even going to work, but I think it will. Gotta love it up here. It's so cool. Alright guys, onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.